If you've ever deleted an important message by accident, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted emails on Gmail in just a few simple steps. Whether it was a work message, an invoice, a personal email, or something you meant to save for later, Gmail makes it possible to restore deleted emails quickly if you act in time. This is a super useful tutorial for anyone who wants to get their email back without confusion or frustration. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu on the Gmail dashboard. You may need to click more if you don't see all of the folders right away. From there, find and open the trash folder. This is where Gmail stores deleted emails temporarily before they're permanently removed. Now, inside the trash folder, scroll through your deleted messages and find the email you want to recover. If you have a lot of deleted emails, you can use the search bar at the top to help narrow it down faster. Once you find the message, click to open it so you can confirm it's the correct email. This is important because you want to make sure you restore the right message before moving it back. After opening the email, look at the top of the message and click the Move to button. This option lets you send the email back out of trash and into a different location. A small menu will appear, and from here you can choose Inbox if you want the email to reappear in your main inbox. Or if you prefer, you can choose another folder or label depending on how you organize your Gmail account. Once you select the destination, Gmail will move the email immediately. At that point, the deleted email is recovered and no longer sits in the trash folder. It's a good idea to double check your inbox or chosen label to make sure the email is back where you want it. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted email on Gmail. Just remember that trash emails do not stay there forever, so if you want to recover something, it's best to do it as soon as possible. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Gmail and email tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.